BMW 330d, the ultimate driving machine. The BMW 330d is a luxury car that has been praised for its performance and design. It is a powerful vehicle that is equipped with a 3.0-liter diesel engine that delivers an impressive 261 horsepower. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that provides smooth and responsive gear changes. The car's acceleration is also noteworthy, with the ability to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.6 seconds. Apart from its performance, the BMW 330d is also recognized for its stylish exterior and interior design. The car has a sleek and modern look that is enhanced by its aerodynamic body shape and iconic kidney grille. Inside the car, the cabin is spacious and comfortable, with high-quality materials used for the seats, dashboard, and door panels. The infotainment system is also top-notch, featuring a large touchscreen display that can be easily navigated using voice commands or physical buttons. In terms of safety, the BMW 330d has received high ratings from reputable organizations such as Euro NCAP. The car is equipped with a range of safety features such as airbags, anti-lock brakes, traction control, and electronic stability control. It also has advanced driver assistance systems such as lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. Although the BMW 330d is a luxury car, it is also relatively fuel efficient, thanks to its diesel engine. The car has a combined fuel economy rating of 51.4 miles per gallon, which is impressive for a vehicle of its size and power. It also emits relatively low levels of CO2, making it an environmentally friendly option for those who prioritize sustainability. In conclusion, the BMW 330d is a high-performance luxury car that delivers an exceptional driving experience. Its powerful engine, stylish design, and advanced safety features make it a top choice for those who prioritize performance and luxury. Additionally, its fuel efficiency and low emissions make it a responsible choice for those who want to reduce their carbon footprint. Overall, the BMW 330d is a well-rounded vehicle that offers the best of both worlds. Thanks for watching. Please like and follow.